Hey there, I hope you all had a fantastic day. Today, we're diving into a super important topic for every car owner: the symptoms of bad spark plugs. Let's jump right in and make 5 car maintenance simple for you. The first and easiest symptom to look out for is your check engine light. If that light pops on, don't panic. Just take your car to a nearby O'Reilly's or AutoZone, they'll scan it for free. The scanner will pull up a code, and if it shows a misfire, there's a high chance your spark plugs are the culprit. Another clear sign is rough idling. When your car is stationary and the engine's running, you'll feel the car shaking or vibrating in a way that doesn't feel normal. A healthy engine runs smooth, but bad spark plugs can disrupt that balance. Third is drop in fuel efficiency. Here's a costly symptom: your MPG, or miles per gallon, will take a hit. Spark plugs are responsible for creating the perfect spark, and if the gap in the plug increases or they wear out, your car will burn more fuel. More gas used means more money out of your pocket. At fourth is lack of power and acceleration. Ever notice your car just doesn't have that get up and go anymore? A lack of power or sluggish acceleration could mean bad spark plugs. Think of it like this: if you've got a V8 engine with 8 spark plugs and only 6 are working, it's like having 8 people lifting a heavy couch, but 2 sit down. It's not as strong, and you'll feel that drop in performance. Lastly, let's talk about starting issues. If you turn the key and your car cranks but doesn't start, it might not be the battery or fuel pump. Think about your spark plugs. For example, if you've got a 4-cylinder engine and only one cylinder is firing, you're running at 25% power, just not enough to start or sustain your engine properly. So there you have it, folks, the top symptoms of bad spark plugs. Keeping your spark plugs in good shape is key to maintaining your car's performance, saving money, and avoiding headaches. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.